PhD. Piggybacking on his earlier question, would you say that an IT leader really should have a background with a lot of variety?
Should have a background and with a lot of variety, did you say? Oh, absolutely, absolutely, I would say. You know, whether it's supply chain, sales, marketing. I mean, Alan, I don't know about you, but I think of myself as a business leader, and it's less about IT. And the way I can talk to a supply chain person or a finance person only in their language, not if I stop talking bits and bytes, you know, I'll have no seat at the table. So, and just having worked in different areas and be able to talk about digital supply chain and digital marketing and finance, and that's what gives me the credibility and the so that I can talk to the business. And then obviously the learning itself changes, the problem changes, the context, and you know, obviously but I think that base understanding of all these functions really help.
And I absolutely agree with that, but I'll go a step further on technology and technologists and people in the team. Not everybody aspires to be a manager or a CIO. They want to be maybe a deep technical lead and a person that can be the go-to on whatever platform we need or whatever problem we're trying to solve. So we want to develop all kinds. And so I think it's really important to determine what you're good at, what you're capable of, and decide to go that path. And we want people to be deep technically. I need them to be. I understand the business, but I need them to take their technical chops and say, this is how I think we can connect that. And so I want them to understand more about the business, but I want them to be deep in technology. So it depends upon kind of what kind of staff you have and what your business needs. At some point in time, we may need a TI, a more technology person rather than a business person. I don't know. I don't know that we do because I've got really strong technical leaders underneath me. And so being able to lead at any level, but I want to encourage those that are deep technically, stay that way, or go deep and then go broad across here and go back down deep, because that is equally as important as having a breadth end to end about how your company runs.
Okay, we have time for one last question.